Hey, my name is Brian, and this is my 2014 Mustang GT. Current build at this time is a Gen 2 short block, Gen 1 heads, Boston tank manifold, single 76mm turbo, 83 hot side, ID1000s, Siley fuel kit, twin hat, dual 465s, TR66 is in the car, built by Ben Calamer. It's got a one-piece drive shaft, S2 track diff, strange 35 spline axles with the 5/8 studs. That's pretty much the bulk of the build. I picked it up in 2016, completely stock. I ran like a mild NA build at the time. It was a off-road H-pipe by Lethal Performance, ID1000s for 85 tune, a colder intake, and yeah, that's really it. And I took it to the track. I had an 8th mile track over there in California when I was there at the time, and I ran a 7.5 at 92 mile an hour in the 8th. Ever since then, I obviously wanted to go faster just like everyone else, so I decided to go with force induction, and my choice was a single turbo, and it's just been fun ever since. This car recently dyno with the Gen 2 swap. Now this is like a recent thing of actually, since I upgraded the turbo in 2017, I believe. I've had that same build for 2 years, going on almost 3 now, with the Gen 1 original short block in the car. And there's actually a local deal. The guy was selling the Gen 2 short block, and I jumped on it real quick. The price is right, and I feel like it's the best way to make more power with just getting the 4-inch rods from the factory. So with that being said, it's a completely stock motor. The heads are untouched. Just the Gen 2 short block doing work. I put it on dyno last month with my tuner down in Tampa, Siley, at Elite Tuning and Racing, and put down over a 900 wheel at 14 pounds. So this car is running a stock ECU. Siley at Elite Tuning and Racing did my tune. Matter of fact, before I did the Gen 2 swap, it took almost 2 hours for the device to update because it's been so long since I changed the tune. So I was on the original tune with my original Gen 1 short block, and we finally got around to tuning the change now that's being made. And before I got the cutout the side exit bumper exhaust, I was running the MBRP. Which is also nice, and didn't really get that surprise factor that I have been with this, but it's definitely a good change, and I'm looking forward to going faster, so one step at a time. My personal best at the track was 9.46 at 153. So the past event that TRC hosted down in Bradenton Motorsports Park, I lost my first roll race ever in my history of my car. FL2K, actually went up against Project Neighbor and for the roll race portion, and then Leroy got his redemption in the 6-shift class.
Dude, cue the scene from Fast and Furious.
I almost had you.
I almost had it.
streetcar takeover was next. Won there as well. Lastly, Oman Nationals, the event hosted once a year, November time frame. Justin Young puts on a great show out there at South Georgia Motorsports Park. Any Mustang fan out, definitely make it, man. It's a great show. And then this past event here, I took my first L in the roll race. I got to run a stick shift class against Minion. Made it to the finals, and I definitely saw Yandros taillights, so I appreciate that. It was definitely fun overall, and I had a great time. I want to thank JFab. He goes by JFab down in Tampa. Born and raised down in Tampa, so I know a few of the bigger coyote guys out there. JFab Jim Braun, thanks for helping me out with the build here. Start to finish, you know, he's always giving me guidance on what not to do. Cy Lee has been my tuner since day one. Brett LaSala helped me put my rear end in, and axle upgrade, so I appreciate that. And all the guys down, Jason Lopez, they're all a great group of guys. Definitely overdue for a cage. I'm actually slotted in August, as well as a shoot, so I'll be super ready then. But yeah, it's a fun car to drive. Love it.